flavor replacement do you have? And most people don't even know there are different. Yes, you were sold a replacement policy, but which version, like which flavor replacement do you have? And most people don't even know there are different flavors, right? So replacement costs, there's a number, the amount of money that they're going to pay to rebuild your home. And your premium keeps going up because the cost every year to rebuild your home goes up, so your coverage A limit goes up, but it's a limit, right? They won't pay you above that number. Some people have extended replacement costs where there's 25, 50%, sometimes double the amount of money just in case you need it due to inflation. If inflation hits real big or a storm comes through and demand is real big. But then you have guaranteed replacement where there is no limit. Doesn't matter what it costs to rebuild your home, they're going to foot the bill. But then on the lower end is functional replacement. You're going to get, instead of being offered same, like, kind, and quality, you get Home Depot minimum, something functional. And that's going to really lower a settlement. If you want to know what's in your policy, click the link in my profile, choose homeowner. It's a advisory we provide. It's absolutely free. We'll give you the advice, go back to your agent and fix any of these coverage gaps or add things if you need them, such as extended or guaranteed replacement cost, and get rid of things that you shouldn't have, such as functional replacement cost. Click the link in my profile.